Okay, we got the rock arms all done. I'm going to lull off the noise right now, so it'll start up here in a little bit, I'm sure. I got tired of screaming into the microphone over there. Alright, so these are the new ones here. This is the old ones here. They're still all new, but just different ones. So this here is the finish we have out of these. This is smooth. And this is the finish we get out of these ones. See how smoother it is? See? A lot smoother. But same size. So this is our go no-go gauge. So first you got to put in there. Not that much clearance. Same thing with this one. Slightly tighter. 1/10 or so, not much. So there's your difference. So these are smooth and same size or slightly tighter. So now you want to see if these rock arms are going to be a problem. So this one here, I filed all these around the corners right here now. So I broke all the edges. So hopefully now they're smoother and don't dig in like you did. There we go. Helps put them the right way. So with the rock arm, there's so much clearance you get. Can't really feel it. Barely feel it. It's not much different what that reamer was. So the go no-go gauge is pretty accurate. So I'm pushing down right now. There's no oil on any of this, so it's not grinding like it was. This side's definitely smoother though. So here's a high spot somewhere in there. It's pretty smooth. Not all rough like it was, that's for sure. See the marks it leaves. Alright, so hopefully this time these will work. So I'm going to go ahead and check these dry before I snot them all up. I can fix anything problem I got with them. It feels real good. The fat side here, long side goes toward the push rod. Feel a lot better. Nothing like a little bit of rebuilding to fix new parts. Okay, now this one's a little tighter for some reason. Whatever is in there came out. So something was dirty, even though I've cleaned everything multiple times, but we'll get a clean rag out. It's called my shirt. So obviously a little something was in there. Not sure what. It just feels a little tighter. Nice and smooth. Whatever it was, it works its way out. I don't know what the hell it is. See, now it's nice and free. No drag marks. Noise even though it's dry. Okay, those should be good and quiet now. Why couldn't they make them that way to begin with? Because they don't do a good job, that's why. It costs money to run a honing machine. Just do it boring a hole through with a boring bar. It's cheap. Well, these are tools, they're not just bolts. Alright, so I think we're good to go on this. It looks pretty good. Alright, be back in a minute.